Okay, here come Gracie and Kai off the school bus. Here they come. Big day. Well, if the school bus driver will chill out. Are you serious, dude? I'm trying to get my kids on video. Wow. That's not her. Okay, evidently this is the high school bus. Okay. Okay, that was a false alarm. That's a high school bus, not the kid bus, so there you go.